FindMy for AirPods is coming, but you'll need to link them to your Apple ID. The update will come when iOS 15 launches later this fall. This is good. I mean, you lose these things. You probably are more likely to lose these than maybe any of your other Apple devices. So tiny.
Yeah.
You drop them in the subway. They're so commonly dropped that the subway commission in Tokyo devised a device exclusively for AirPod removal from the tracks when somebody would lose it.
Yeah.
Think about that for a second.
The rats use them.
The rat. Oh, right.
They have
you're talking about Pizza Rat.
Yeah.
You're talking about Pizza Rat.
Of AirPods in their nest.
What did Pizza Rat move on to? Then you had Burger Rat, or what did he move on to? Ice cream? I can't. There was a follow-up to Pizza Rat. I mean, nothing matched the original Pizza Rat.
Yeah.
But there were a variety of memes that came after, as many people turned their cameras towards rats inside the transit so that they be on the lookout for the next big Pizza Rat.
Is there...
No, I don't know. I mean, you don't have to find this. Like, I don't...
Is it a burrito?
It might have been a burrito rat.
That would be funny.
It might have been a Chipotle rat. Anyway, this is big. This is good.
So it's just an update, right?
iOS 15?
Like, there's no hardware that's attached to it.
iOS 15, ladies and gentlemen. If you have AirPods, you've definitely lost them at some point, which is why adding upgraded FindMy support will be a huge relief once iOS 15 drops later this fall. However, to do that, it looks like you'll have to link the device to your Apple ID. Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
I think people will probably go for that regardless. Just like AirTags, iOS 15 brings precision finding to AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. Unfortunately, AirPods and AirPods 2 will not be supported. Well, that's a big ouch right there. But if you do have the AirPods Pro or Max, then they're going to operate on that like close tracking, the one that is pinpoint in close proximity.
Oh, okay.
So it would be the one where it's in the couch cushion or whatever, and you have the beeping in the arrow.
The arrow, yeah.
Like almost like turn-by-turn navigation. And then for a set of AirPods Pro, that's
useful, yeah.
That's money in the bank right there.
Some would say, yeah.
Yeah. So be on the lookout for that.